10/13/2020, TDOC, Screaming Breakout, starts out right here. And once again, when we develop a relationship in the live trading room, this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we understand the algorithms in our trading platform, and we do. The diamonds are algos, and they're mathematical bots, and they are mathematical. And we've had a tremendous run. And once again, we've had a $17.38 range. That's screaming higher. The 15.73 off of the low and $1.65 off of the high. Okay, this is the Panther app, and these are mathematical formulas and the diamonds on the candles, and they're never wrong. Been very strong all day. Screaming breakout. TDOC, everybody knows what that is. And it's one of these plays, once again, that once they pull back, they seem to just keep going higher because of their services and their earnings. But we will always caution, just like we do all the time, just like with Beyond Meat, if you didn't sell it, and a lot of them. Some of them just keep screaming higher, and that's okay, because it's not against the law to keep buying and selling again and again. Once again, we would love to develop that relationship with you. We would love to share our application with you. Once you learn this, it's pure mathematics, and it is the GPS on how long to stay in and when to get out. And it will not be wrong. So let's get to know each other in the live trading room. Let's get to experience these things. Let's get to experience buying the options and getting the breakout, and then understanding the app and the diamonds and what the diamonds are. And high frequency trading technologies are used in the exchange model, and they are. And they front run stocks, and that's what these diamonds represent. And they're mathematics. Mathematics never lie. Mathematics always finds the breakouts and how strong they are. Once again, we would enjoy spending some time with you, because we know what you're looking for, and what you have seen before just doesn't work. You can see how it's bid popping right here. And when these diamonds are bid popping like that, that's just a little fade, holds the half bar, but look at that next diamond. Bid pop, bid pop. Then you come down, and then we make the high, and now we're going to pull back as it should. So understanding when you make that next high, but you have a red bar next to it, you have to know when to take profit when you're trading options, because the stock movement and the breakout is one thing, and then when you're getting your entries in the options, that's another thing, my friends. Okay, my friends, here's the call options. $13.30 on the low, $27. What a rip city screaming breakout in these. These are the market makers. You get to see everything here. And just let me tell you another thing. With this app will price these options. I kid you not. And this is why we would love to spend the time with you, so that we could show you lots of things that you don't know. And what all the ECNs, how to be direct access to the floor of the exchange. No middleman, no one getting in the way. Just you and the exchange. Now, as a market maker, you can route your orders, but here's the breakout. And we could see the options were $13.30, and then they were $27 on the high. Right now they're $22.80 by 24, and we have a pullback. So the option made the high right there, and now that we're right here on the pullback, you can see the values dropping here, which you can see, and you can route orders directly to the market. We're going to show you how to do all that. Yep. And that's why we know what you need. You just haven't had it yet, because you're not going to find it in the retails. environment. Once again, TDOC, screaming breakout with the 210 call options, which were in the money at the breakout point of 218 on the equity side, and straight up we went. And the diamonds kept going. It tells you how long to stay in. Now, if you don't know when to sell and get out on the high, you have to know when to take a profit. 99% of the people don't know how to do that. But listen, let's get to develop that relationship together, because it's going to be based on this kind of stuff. And it's going to be everything that you wanted. I promise you. All you have to do is show up and find out. That's all you got to do. It's going to change your world. Believe me.